Currently on the screen is another look at the International Space Station. This was recorded about 25 hours ago, flying down along the west coast of the United States and across over the southern tip of South America for Sunday the 6th of May 2018. Welcome to another update via the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel. BOM Meteorology in Victoria has cancelled their strong wind warning for the central Gippsland, the east Gippsland coast. However, for Monday, a public holiday here in Queensland, Labor Day, gale warning will be in place for the following areas: West Coast, Central Coast, Central Gippsland Coast. Strong wind warning will also be in place Port Phillip Bay, Western Port and East Gippsland. And down there in Tasmania, a gale warning is in place for the southwest coast. Strong wind warning, Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, the southeast central west coast, and a small craft alert for the southwest lakes. Now here's the latest BOM Meteorology's total forecast of rain. The strong wind warning has been cancelled for the east of the Flinders Island. However, for Monday, storm force wind warning will be in place for the southwest coast. A gale warning will be expanded to include the Durham Estuary, Frederick Henry, Norfolk Bay, Storm Bay, the Channel, far northwest coast, north central north coast, Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, upper east coast, lower east, south east, central west coast. And a small craft alert will be in place for both the Central Plateau and the southwest lakes. A gale warning is currently in place down there in South Australia for the south central, upper southeast, lower southeast coast. And a strong correction, this will be for Monday, and a strong wind warning will be in place for the Adelaide metropolitan waters, the far west coast, upper west, lower west, central coast, Spencer Gulfs, Gulf St Vincent's, Investigator Strait. Now we have a look at what's going on. Read the wind factor, and you can notice the massive amount of dark red. There is a low pressure system. This is from 10 AM through to the same period tomorrow. The BSCH website, and as usual, it's a GFS model. Now we have a look at instability. BOM Meteorology over there in WA has a severe weather warning for damaging winds, abnormally high tides for the southwest, south coastal and parts of the Great Southern Districts. The imagery is a live stream cam available on the swellnet.com website, and it's at the mouth of the Margaret River. And looking at the imagery, it's one of the most severest seas that I've seen whilst viewing the webcam. Showers associated with this system may produce damaging winds to 100 kilometres per hour, causing damage, or could cause damage to homes, property during Saturday morning, early Sunday afternoon. And as mentioned, there's a low pressure system tracking to the south of WA. And this is the area under the severe weather warning. Locations which may be impacted include Albany, Bunbury, Busselton, Katanning, Manjim, Up, Margaret River, Mount Barker. Damaging winds expected over the southwest Capes, extending to southwest of a line collie to Albany by 8 AM WST Sunday, throughout the warning area by midday Sunday, and the risk of damaging winds likely to cease around 1400 hours. The Bureau of Meteorology up there in the Northern Territory has cancelled their wind warning for the Beagle Bonaparte Coast, North Tiwi, Arafura and the Roper Group Coast. And with reference to the tropical scene, nothing going on here in the southern hemisphere, although we have 97W up there in the Westpac. It's around 1010 millibars. So the tropical scene is very quiet. And a gale warning for the following areas: the Bunbury, Geograph, Leeuwin and Albany coast. Strong wind warning for Perth local waters, North Kimberley, Lesserton coast, Esperance coast. Total accumulated precipitation, GFS model, and this is on the Pivotal Weather website. Look at the Himawari 8, a satellite view of Australia's western region, South Indian Ocean, Australia's eastern, New Zealand, Southwest Pacific areas. The latest tropical cyclone formation probability guide. You can see where Invest 97W is. A possible activity to the north of Bougainville Island, but very unlikely at this time. If you'd like to get in contact with me, here's my details. Force 13 is always on the look for those with some technical knowledge. If you'd like to get in contact with Nathan or even become a member,
you can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.